Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are burnt. It's been one hell of a day. We went out to Discovery Bay, hung out with some friends, and everyone pretty much got on the tube except for me and the baby. And everybody pretty much flipped over on their tube. So I'm going to post some clips of our day today, and I hope you guys enjoy. There's something underneath my nail.
And also, you know what, never mind.
What?
When I flip.
Huh?
When I flip.
Oh yeah, I didn't get that though, but she flipped over. So they were stopped and there wasn't enough weight in the tube thing, so then it was kind of like they were like leaning back.
This, and then my leg
and then
up here.
she was the last one on there, so then it flipped over.
There's other people. There's one person on there.
Girl, look at this hair. Long hair don't care. You did it.
No, not at all.
Oh.
It's actually very warm.
Nice, bro. I'm gonna steal your seat, okay?
Okay.
There he comes. He's gonna blare right past us. Right? You got him? You got him in the rear view?
Exact same glove.
Football game, like a Raider game or something. He's
Like an early
just popped up. This the thing and this the thing. I mean, he just found like shit everywhere.
Most definitely.
I don't know why. Why don't you gotta maintain these alive though?
Every year. You're good. Honesty.
Yes, bro.
I'm being honest. My stomach
Hey.
messed up.
Don't lie. I was telling you. You told me you were lying. It's because you're scared?
We'll tell you.
Yeah. They're done.
Hey, that's a sign that we're done.
Take a picture.
Yep. There they are.
Hold my hand.
The bumper. This is gonna be real.
Take them feet all the way down.
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, they're getting cocky.
Yeah, they.
They're like, what do we do?
You got on film, huh? You did.
Are you serious?
Told you what happened. You were right on top of me. I was like, oh.
You had to know you were going.
Oh my god.
That is
It's just a pontoon.
So if you have to take a shit, now's the time.
Run, shit yourself. Run away. Run away from it. Swim away.
Round the bumper.
Did you already shit yourself?
On top of me. I'm like,
We gotta put some air in that thing.
That's awesome.
Hey, just come in the boat. I'll get that. Yeah, just leave that. Yeah, just come on in. So that way you don't stay
For me, I was like, I was imagining us getting thrown off and my legs hitting the rope and then the getting on top of me and yeah.
That's good. This tied to that rail. They're perfect.
Don't worry about it. You should have seen how JC did us right now. You freaking went flying off the thing.
I got it videotaped.
Yeah, your dad's giving advice to something that he.
He didn't hold on very well either.
I don't know.
Donna, did you go on?
He was trying that.
Did you go on?
That didn't work so well, remember?
I did.
Say bye, brother. Bye, sister. Yep.
You can't be over on that side when you're in the boat, when you're moving.
Oh.
And so, did you get breathalyzed?
No, they just did the whole height thing.
Yeah.
You can't get out of your boat if you're parked there.
No, if you're moving, you can't be on the other side of
How was it, baby? Loved it. This girl went on the inner tube, or I don't know what you call it. A tube? No, it's not a tube, but what a fun experience.
And mama cooked breakfast with no bone. I got my grub on, but didn't get.
Everything good with you guys? You have some fun? Good. You guys tired now or what?
You're a besito, baby.